Wahl has created the new standard of home haircutting with the Elite Pro high-performance haircutting kit. The Elite Pro is built with our finest blades, best guide combs, and most powerful motor. The new self-sharpening precision ground blades cut all types of hair 40% faster than our standard blades and stay sharper longer for smooth, snag-free haircuts. This kit also includes a full set of easy, mistake-free guide combs that can be stored in the handy nylon storage bag and come with stainless steel attachment clips that securely fasten to the clipper, large ID nameplates for easy-to-see comb size identification, and are made with premium-grade material that is 70% stronger than our standard guide combs. The new durable, long-lasting motor has 15% more power than Wahl's Power Drive motor and comes with a lifetime warranty. The Elite Pro also features an industrial-grade power cord and comes with a handle storage case, barber shears with protective blade guard, large styling comb, cord wrap, barber cape, and other accessories that help give you a premium haircut at home. Pick up your Elite Pro high-performance haircutting kit today.
Remington, long-lasting products for sharp-looking styles. The Remington virtually indestructible barbershop clipper is built to perform. For starters, it's cordless, so you can cut and trim wherever you want. No power outlet needed. That's thanks to the powerful lithium-ion battery, which provides 60 minutes of runtime, good for several quality haircuts. Just as impressive is the cutting performance. Precision ground blades cut through even the thickest of hair. And the powerful cut blade system keeps blades aligned to prevent snags and pulling. Plus, it's removable, so cleanup is a breeze. Now for the virtually indestructible name. It comes from the high-impact polycarbonate casing that protects the clipper's powerful interior. That includes a super torque 3.6-volt motor, which drives maximum power to the blades for twice the cutting speed of any previous clipper. Plus, this 20-piece kit has everything you need for a complete haircut. Length-adjusting combs, a barber's cape, scissors, and more. It all stores in this rugged plastic case. The Remington virtually indestructible barbershop clipper.
You wanna do? It's your thing. It's your thing. Do what you wanna do now. Do what you wanna do now. If you want me to love you, then maybe I will. I need me a woman. You wanna do it? Whoa. Whoa.
What's going on, y'all? This is Marcus Harvey, the barber star, celebrity barber, and I'm gonna walk you guys through the most advanced trimmer on the planet, the bevel trimmer. Bevel has the most advanced adjusting trimmer system in the trimmer world. I mean, like, listen, do your blade like this by just simply taking it off, adjusting it with our 0 gap dial. Snap on, snap off also makes it very easy to clean your blade. You can get all the way down to the inner workings of your blade. That quick. This trimmer also has an antimicrobial coating on it, which means it also reduces oil and dirt, so you don't have to have a lot of craziness on your clipper. You have a stronger steel than most. It cuts down on all dullness. The bevel trimmer also has a 360-degree grip, which means that whatever hand position you're holding it, you always have a real good grip. It also has an anti-slip grip too on the top. It's an anti-heating coating on it, so now your blade won't get hot and your trimmer won't get hot. A lot of limitations that we've had with trimmers have been the cord. This clipper comes with a cord and without a cord. Once you take it off the cord, it still lasts 4 hours. 4 hours of full power, not that little at the end start saying, and then you right in the middle of your cut, and now you doggone stuck because you can't charge it back up. This thing be like, it's killing lineups all day long. You can always plug it in, and as it's plugged in, it's still charging as you're using it plugged up. The solid blue lets you know that it's full. When it's blinking slowly blue, that means you have more than 15 minutes. And when it's blinking fast, that means you have less than 15 minutes. But it's only giving you those indications because why? It's charging itself as it's on the cord. Now, when you have it unplugged and you have it cordless, white, slow blinking means you have more than 15 minutes. Fast white blinking means, hey, you need to pull over and plug me up. Bevel said that they love us even more. They have added the T-blade. Ooh, look how beautiful it looks. It just looks like a shark. Now you can actually get those corners that you want to get, for those of you who like that T corner. It also has a wider base than most T-blades. You're able to do your hairlines way faster because you're able to cover a lot more space. This T-blade is the T-blade of the future. We still have the 0 gap technology. This is the T-blade of all T-blades. Any other T-blade would be uncivilized.